Hello everyone, this video is about foods that lower blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure levels or want to maintain healthy blood pressure, then adding a few foods listed in this video to your diet may help. However, it may be best to speak with your doctor before making significant changes to your eating plan. First is watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline. The body converts citrulline to arginine, and this helps to produce nitric oxide. This relaxes the blood vessels, which can lower the high blood pressure. A study found that watermelon juice lowered systolic blood pressure over 2 hours. Number 2. Natural yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented dairy product which is packed with minerals that help regulate blood pressure, including the potassium and calcium. A study revealed that people with high blood pressure who consumed more yogurt had lower systolic blood pressure and lower arterial pressure than those who did not. Next is berries. Cranberries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes. Berries contain antioxidants anthocyanins, and anthocyanins increase nitric oxide level in the blood and reduce the production of molecules that restrict the blood flow. This may help lower blood pressure levels. Next are beets. Drinking beet juice may reduce the blood pressure in the short and long term. Research shows that nitrate from the beetroot juice lowers systolic blood pressure in the people with arterial hypertension. Next is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cacao, which is an antioxidant, and flavonoids may help reduce the blood pressure. Tomato extract. Tomato contains lycopene, which is an antioxidant that may be beneficial for the heart health. A review found that consuming tomato extract can significantly lower the systolic blood pressure in people with or without hypertension. Pomegranates. Pomegranates contain antioxidants and other ingredients that may help prevent high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. A trial suggests that daily pomegranate juice consumption may reduce the systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with diabetes. Cinnamon. Cinnamon may help reduce the blood pressure by a modest amount. A study found that consuming up to 2 grams of cinnamon daily for 8 weeks or more reduced blood pressure in people with a body mass index of 30 or more. Potatoes. Potatoes have several plant-based compounds that could be useful in managing the blood pressure levels. A study fed 30 adults at high risk for or with high blood pressure 4 possible overall healthy diets, including one diet with potatoes, which were boiled, baked, and pan-heated for 17 days. At the end of the study, the researchers concluded that the diet with potatoes reduced the systolic blood pressure. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is high in vitamin C and contain other nutrients such as fiber, potassium, and magnesium, and all these are involved in blood pressure regulation. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that may help manage the blood pressure. Fermented foods to add to the diet include kimchi, kombucha, apple cider vinegar, miso, and tempeh. Probiotic supplements are another option. Eggs. A study among 2,349 adults found that eating 5 eggs or more per week was linked with systolic blood pressure level that was 2.5 mm lower than the people who ate half of an egg per week. In addition, egg eaters also had a significantly lower likelihood of developing high blood pressure over the long term. Nuts and seeds. These include pumpkin seeds, flaxseed, chia seed, pistachios, walnuts, and almonds. They offer a concentrated source of nutrients which are important for blood pressure control, including fiber and arginine. Arginine is an amino acid needed to produce nitric oxide, which is an essential compound for blood vessel relaxation and blood pressure reduction. Bananas. Bananas contain potassium, which can help manage hypertension, but people with kidney disease should consult a doctor before increasing their potassium intake. Carrots. A study found that possibility of high blood pressure went down 10% for roughly every 100 grams of carrots eaten daily. And this is about 1 cup of grated raw carrots. Garlic. Garlic has antibiotic and antifungal properties, many of which may be due to its main active ingredient, allicin. Garlic can reduce blood pressure, arterial stiffness, and cholesterol level. Legumes. Legumes include lentils, beans, peas, and these legumes are rich in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, such as magnesium and potassium. Numerous observational studies suggest that legumes may help lower high blood pressure levels. Broccoli. Broccoli is loaded with flavonoids antioxidants, which may help lower blood pressure by enhancing the blood vessel function and increasing the nitric oxide levels in your body. A study that included data from 187,453 people found that those who consumed 4 broccoli servings or more per week had a lower likelihood of high blood pressure than those who consumed broccoli once a month or less. Whole grains. Diets rich in whole grains may decrease your likelihood of high blood pressure. These include amaranth, whole oats, quinoa, brown rice, corn, whole wheat bread, and pasta. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, and lemons. These contain hesperidin, which is an antioxidant that may benefit heart health. A study indicates that regularly consuming orange juice can help the lower systolic blood pressure and that hesperidin contributes to this effect. Next is leafy green vegetables. Now, leafy greens include cabbage, collard greens, kale, mustard greens, spinach, and chard. Now, leafy green vegetables, these are rich in nitrates, which may lower the blood pressure. These are also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which can support heart health. Next are oily or fatty fish. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fats, and these omega-3 fats have significant heart benefits. These fats may help reduce blood pressure levels by lowering the inflammation. Now, oily fish include salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel fish. And the last important food that lowers the blood pressure is olive oil. A review of studies found that due to the nutrients and plant-based compounds in the olive oil, such as omega-9 fat oleic acid and antioxidant polyphenols, it can be a beneficial part of a diet that aims to lower the blood pressure. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel.